Tori
and Bree.
and today Bree's never gonna pick up a penny again. She learned that lesson.
I found a freaking penny on the floor and it's supposed to be good luck, and it was not good luck. It was fucking terrible luck. Yes, I'm gonna say that on camera because that is how I feel. It was so bad. So, first of all, we got locked out of the house earlier today. I had to wait about an hour to get into my house, and then we leave to go to urgent care for Tori. We come back, we're locked out again. So we're waiting about 30 minutes, and then my freaking father-in-law, who has the key, is like up like a mile away. So I'm like, oh, screw it, we're freaking walking. I don't want to waste any more gas.
Because we were just standing outside for a good half hour.
Yeah, so then,
Trying to ring on the door right there.
yeah, and then we freaking leave, and as soon as we start to leave, it starts freaking pouring on us.
True story.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Sorry it's kind of short vlog. We went to urgent care for my foot, and then we got locked out twice, and we were stuck in the rain. So, yeah, stay tuned for the next video.